What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to be reviewing a leather accessory insert mats on my 2022 Honda Accord. So these leather inserts, there was a company who reached out to me and offered me to share my review, and also they're actually pretty cool. It's like insert mats where you can just actually put it right over here on your by the door jamb, and also by your cup holders. I believe it covers the with the wireless charging, but I'm not quite sure if I'm going to be able to use that since I have that wireless charging and also the mid console, pretty much all around on your car. So let's talk about the quality first. So the quality is pretty nice, and so this is going to come with the 12 piece, as you can see, like all around your doors, and also they provided with the 4 round 3M tapes, I believe, so you can just like put it right over here. So if you're like me, who hates to clean and pretty much just like get scratches all over here, because sometimes I put my keys in there, or sometimes like loose changes, so if I'm not, and over time it creates scratches. So this product is actually perfect for me, and I actually really love it. And I'm going to show you on where each piece goes, and yeah. So first things first, this piece goes into your driver's side. As you can see, I'm pretty sure you can get it, like the shape of it. It's gonna go right over here. So as for me, I'm gonna add the 3M tape that they provided. I'm just gonna put this in the middle to keep it in place and intact. Oops. As you can see right there. And I've already cleaned my door jambs to take all the dust and debris that I've accumulated over time. Just take this off and just carefully put it in the center, right over there. Oops. There you go. And let me just clean this side. Running out of rubbing alcohol. Make sure everything is clean. Let's see. There you go. And this one right over here on the driver's side, this straight line goes on the driver's side to accommodate for the lining. I'm going to show it to you in a second. And just put this on. There you go. And if actually you're not satisfied, you could actually get or add your own 3M tape to at least keep the mats in place. So let me just show it to you how it looks like. Alright, so after installing the driver's side, that's what it's going to look like. It actually covers pretty much like center and most of it somehow. And also on the driver pocket side, there you go. As you can see, fitment is perfect. And I'm probably going to add 3M tape on this one, or maybe not, since I barely use this pocket. And you just put your hand sanitizer or your drinks, your water bottle or whatnot. And also let me just put my parking ticket. If you live in New York City, there's a lot, it's inevitable. It's hard to like avoid parking tickets. And I'm just gonna go in the center console. Make sure everything is clean. There you go. And this piece right here goes to your center cup holder. I know you can't see it right now, but we're just putting everything where it's supposed to go. And this piece goes right here with the tray. As you can actually see, it's perfect fit. I love it. And also the mid console which is going to be this piece right here. Just take all my stuff. So like I mentioned earlier, this piece goes in your mid console. There you go. And actually, let me show you to you what's gonna look like. Alright, so this is actually what it looks like. Covers and sits pretty well on the tray that was provided to you by the car. Also, this is the cup holders, and this is what it's actually gonna look like when you are mid console. Alright, side note guys, so this pieces right here, it comes with 4 pieces, and don't make the same mistake as I did. So I didn't notice there was like 2 different sizes. One is bigger compared to the other, so the bigger one goes in the front doors, and the small ones goes on the the rear passenger doors. I'm so sorry. Whew, almost gave you almost like a wrong instructions on this one, but yeah. So the big one goes right over here, just like what I showed you earlier. It actually fits perfectly, and this one actually covers a lot better compared to the other one that I installed, which is like only covers pretty much like the same size of this like middle piece right over here. So this one, the bigger piece, goes in this one. It actually covers the whole thing. So I'm just gonna add the 3M tape that was provided, and I'm gonna install this, and then we're gonna move on to the next part. All right guys, so as for this one, the odd looking one goes in your rear cup holder, as you can see right over there. And there's an option if you want to add 3M tapes on it. If not, it's fine, you can just lay it down, since eventually it's going to settle down since it's leather. And just like what I mentioned, the small piece goes on the door jamb or door handle of the rear passenger. So that's pretty much what it's going to look like. I know it's very subtle and it's not very noticeable. However, it looks the car more luxurious for me, and it actually keeps the car from getting more scratches on this side and on this side, since I tend to have a lot of passenger, and this one's gonna keep the door handles a lot better. And also, if you have a wireless CarPlay, I don't think you're gonna be able to use this, so I don't think I'm gonna use this as well, since it's gonna cover pretty much the whole thing right over here. I don't know if it's gonna be functionable. Right there, it's pretty much just like gonna cover up the wireless charging pad, and it's gonna be hard to like install or turn on and off the wireless charging pad. As for me, I like to turn off my wireless charging pad if I'm not using it. So you could just probably have this on the side just in case if you do have a wireless charging pad. And overall, I like this product, and I apologize if there's a lot of wires. I haven't really had any time to work on the car. And yeah, it actually matches somehow, or like goes along with my theme, which is like black, blue, or maybe we're gonna stick in blue. And they just don't have blue color, they have other stuff as well. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys liked the video and you find this review very informative. And if you guys want to pick up your own set as well, I'll leave the link by the description box below, and you could purchase your own set over there. And they just don't have one color, they have several colors as well for you to choose from. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop some comment. What do you guys think about this product? And yeah, so for me, my opinion on this one, I actually like it, despite of it being subtle and not very like showable exterior wise. I like it, since I hate having scratches on the car. But yeah, this is one way of like protecting the interior as well. And yeah, so I'm just gonna end the video over here. And once again, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to your boy if you haven't, and make sure to share this video as well. And let's try to reach 2,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.